Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck and I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. We're about to get to this place called Cerveceria Chapultepec, something like that. It's a really affordable bar that you can get like, you know, tacos, you know, drinks, shots, whatever the case is. So Judah's inside just finishing off getting ready and we are going to walk out to the street, wave down a taxi and get there. It's really close to the house, it's like on the stretch. It's a 30-minute walk, but by car it's about like 5 minutes. So when I streets, like white line. Yo guys, I'm in this bus right now. Like in Jamaica, it's the same thing. It's crazy. Adios. Wow. Yes, we are here. Guys, that was Judah's first time on a minibus. That was my first time in like years, 10 years or more. So right now we're just taking a seat like to the side of the road pretty much. I like that kind of vibe and yeah. In a couple hours it's gonna be Judah's birthday, so drop some comments and say happy birthday Judah, even though it's gonna be belated, but yeah. But
thanks in advance guys.
Thank you. So we got some tacos here and we're gonna get the additives to put on it, like the lettuce, the tomatoes, all that stuff, salsa verde, so on. Alright, so there we got the tacos with some toppings on it, pretty much. Shrimp taco. Yo, I just threw everything I could get on it. Judah has pretty much the same thing in some regards, so yeah, we're about to dig in. Judah got some plantains. Is it condensed milk on top?
Yeah, it is our condensed milk.
Okay. Sweet plantains with condensed milk, wow. That's interestingly good. Yep. So which one is your favorite so far? Shrimp? Yeah, to be quite frank, I mean the pork fried up taco, it's okay. But I prefer the soft taco, to be honest. I haven't had it as yet, but I know I'm gonna like it more.
If the pork wasn't a soft shell, it would have been better.
Yeah, true. But this is a vibe. They don't have sides here, but they have desserts, and this is a dessert here, so yeah, but it works as a side. Vibes. Guys, Judah eat. What are them now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My gosh.
Then why is the mouth full?
Water. So we got Judah some roses, which is so cool because this guy just rode up on his bike there, and I was just like, all right, cool, let's do it. So it's a vibe. Anyway, back to this fish taco that I'm about to devour. Yo, it's a vibe. I start feeling nice already, but anyway, we're gonna get some shots. The shots are here, we just got the shots. Keeping it Mexican, we decided to stay with some, what do you call this? Tequila what? White? Huh? Okay, cool. And we got the lemon and some chili powder. It's a vibe.
Right, is there something?
You might catch a more video you are eating something.
No, we're taking shots together.
Ah, boy.
Do you want me to come over or make a mobile?
They're not gonna see me at all.
No, put it right here.
Alright.
procedure, right?
Huh?
You know procedure? Yeah.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, wait, do you know which way to go for?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so it's gonna be lime, shot, salt, or salt. Well, normally we do salt, yeah, salt, shot, lime. But it's not salt, so it's whatever it is.
What is this? Salt?
This one is salt. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, try it with a thing though.
Spice?
Yeah. Shots with a twist.
You can do a mixture, so a bit of salt. Yo, you never had a man taste this good. Salt and pepper, baby. That's a joke. Anyway, hard. So,
My assistant lines. Hold on.
so salt, shot, and lime.
If you're gonna do the hands-free, I'm gonna go on right then.
What?
Okay, go on right.
Get it?
Alright, so you doing hands-free with theirs?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
There's nobody on it. Just blinding.
Right.
Okay, start your hands free. We're taking shots. So shots in Mexico.
In Mexico, baby.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Start. Go.
Oh, snap.
It's not bad.
That was actually good. That was a vibe. That was a vibe.
It says hi.
Who? Oh, what's up, dope chick?
Are you guys ready to sing happy birthday?
Pregunta, ¿cómo manejas?
Wait guys, hold on.
¿Cómo celebras?
Are you guys singing happy birthday?
It's 12 o'clock, no, no. It's 12 o'clock.
A la mierda, no.
Cumpleaños feliz.
Completar.
No. Belch,
Bell?
a la Belch. A la mierda.
Guys, it's now 12 o'clock. It's Judah's birthday today.
No,
I want you to sing it. What name babe? Compleaños?
No cumpleaños feliz.
No.
No?
No. Es a la Belch.
A la Belch?
A la verga. Chingada a alguien.
Oh my god. Wow.
Alright guys.
That's crazy. Those two guys over there, they're like drunk. So Judah's on her live doing some shot thing. It's time for me to go home.
Alright, ready? Baby, sing me happy birthday. Are you singing for me? Okay, ready?
So guys, Judah make Mexico good smelling food. Like she bought her too a while ago. On her birthday.
Birthday, good luck.
You don't know what smells. But yeah, we're not walking home. We're trying to like get a cab. Even though we do have a WhatsApp number to WhatsApp a cab and all that crap. But
I like the little strolls.
yeah, and she have her rose.
Happy birthday to me.
Right? Yo, you know what I was thinking about, to be quite honest, is just like, you know, here we are in Mexico right now. and it's a vibe. And normally, like when you're watching, like, you know, videos on, like in movies, and you say Mexico, and you start thinking, oh my god, it's so cool. But then when you're there in that moment, sometimes you don't even realize like how special it is. So like, yeah, I hope you guys, you know, every moment that you actually live, whatever it is, whether in the US or England, just knows there's an opportunity. This man has to go and hold it. But anyway, I'll go and focus on the street, and when we get home, you know, I'll link you back and end the vlog. Alright guys, so we're not too long got home. We probably walked for like 2 minutes, and then, you know, someone picked us up, so, you know, took a cab, and, you know, we're in. You guys might realize these vlogs for me are just kind of like, you know, just giving you guys some updates on to what is happening. But tomorrow's vlog is what I'm really looking forward to. You know, the chance to actually spend a full day with Judah, you know, doing some really cool stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that vlog tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy that. Remember, drop some comments, you know, wish Judah a happy birthday. And if you just like us giving you updates as to, you know, what's happening, and, you know, showing you a little bit about Mexico, drop a like on the video. I definitely appreciate that. But tomorrow our day starts at 7. It's already like 1 o'clock now, so we're pretty much gonna get like 5 hours sleep, but it is what it is. Anyway guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. See you tomorrow.